Hey Toyota lovers, it's Rachel at Autoline Toyota, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Highlander XLE package in one super sexy color, Ruby Flare Pearl. All 24 Highlanders come standard with LED lights all the way around. The XLE adds fog lights and upgrades the rims to 18-inch aluminum alloys. The 24 Highlander XLE now adds the hands-free power tailgate release, which normally you had to go to the limited package or up. It's one of my favorite features. You simply kick, step back, and the rear hatch will open. The Highlander XLE is an 8-seater passenger vehicle, and you can maneuver the seat settings in so many different ways. Your lever here towards the front of the seat allows you to go forward and backwards. And if you do want to fully collapse the seat, you can by pulling the middle lever here, and it will fold it flat. And it's a 60-40 split. For the Highlander, starting with the XLE package and up, they come with sunshades for your middle seat passengers to help block the sun. The XLE Highlander upgrades the interior from cloth to Softex. Doesn't get as hot or as cold as regular leather, but maintains its shape and color extremely well and is very easy to keep clean. The XLE also adds a sunroof, a heated steering wheel, and a wireless charging pad for your cell phone. So combined with all the ports and the wireless charger, you have 8 ways to charge your devices within the 24 Highlander. The Highlander XLE offers a tri-zone climate control, dual control temperatures up front, and your rear passengers can control from the panel on the back. And of course, starting with the 8-inch Toyota multimedia infotainment screen that offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Thank you for taking the time to look at the 24 Highlander XLE in Ruby Flare Pearl. Come on down to Autoline Toyota to check out our available inventory, because it's still time to Toyota.